Assalamu alaikum. This is our second video on computer science MCQs. So these MCQs are very important for any job test including PPSC, Fpsc, CSS, PMS and other different exams. So our those who did not watched and listened the first video of first 200 MCQs, they can check the channel playlists or videos where they can find the first video. So this series will continue until we complete the all necessary MCQs of computer science. Let's start with the second video. CD compact disc. CD compact disc uses a laser technology. HTML used to create web pages. .mpj is an extension for video. Entire document key, Control plus A. To select entire document, Control plus A key is used. Maximum zoom percent in Microsoft PowerPoint to zoom slide is 400. www World Wide Web was invented by Tim Berners-Lee. Total generation of computer are 5. HTTP port number total 25. FTP is file transfer. By default, MS Word extension is .docx docs. Wi-Fi is also called Wi-Fi fidelity. Li-Fi means light fidelity. RAM is a volatile, but ROM is non-volatile. Mother of computer is Ada Lovelace. Verification is a process of authentication used to draw pictures, 3D images and animation. Graphic software is used to draw pictures, 3D images and animation. In PowerPoint 2016, rephrase timings, a slideshow tab is used for rephrase timing. Rehearse timings are rephrase. Creator of Linux operating software Linus Torvalds, 1990, from Finland. Larry Page is Google co-founder. Google invented in 1998. MICR used to read data on checks in banks. Magnetic ink character reader. MICR stands for magnetic ink character reader. IBM stands for International Business Machines. Headquarters of IBM is in New York, USA. Founded in 1911. File contains info like text, images or music. Web browser to search and view a web page. Alignment used in newspaper, magazines and novels. Full justification. Ruler. Display the positioning of text, tabs, margin, indents and other elements on the page. From which user account be changed. From control panel, user account can be changed. F11 is used for full screen. PDF, portable document format. Program set of instruction. Illegal access is also called hacking. Control plus V used for paste. Search Control plus F is used for search. .exe is known as executable file. WinXP or Window XP NTFS file system. BCC in email, writing email address. To compress file size, WinZip is used. WinRAR zip file. In MS Word, misspelled words are marked with red wave lines. Encryption of data security. Leading of operating system in PC is called booting. Loading of operating system in PC is called booting. Operating system is system software. HTML hypertext markup language. Default port of HTTP is 80. Rows and column cells. Rows intersection columns both join to form cells. Excel worksheets up to 256 columns max. IP stands for Internet Protocol, OS stands for Operating System, HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol, undo command is used, Control plus Z. Microprocessor are fourth generation. Artificial intelligence is fifth generation of computer. Vacuum tubes, first generation. Transistors, second generation. uh, ICs, third generation. First generation is vacuum tubes, second generation is transistors, third generation is ICs, fourth generation is microprocessor, and fifth generation of computer is artificial intelligence. Nokia mobile is from the company of and country of Finland. DOS, not a multitasking operating software system. Hard disk is storage device. PNG stands for portable network graphics. CD-ROM is a compact disc ROM. Inventor of computer mouse is an American name for web page address URL. Data copied from application is stored on clipboard. A group of 8 bits equal to byte. Binary system uses power is to switch to next window. Alt plus tab is used. Open new documents, Control plus N is used. Control plus E used for align text to the center. Modem is not required for local area network LAN. Optical barcode reader input device. DNS stands for domain name system. Text file extension is .txt. CDRW stands for CD rewritable. F1 universal help. .zip is file extension, file name, file saved in compressed file. By default font in MS Word, Times New Roman is font style. TCP, UDP, transport layer protocols. TCP and UDP are called transport layer protocols. UDP stands for user data protocol and TCP stands for transmission control protocol. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Header and footer by default on every page in Microsoft Word. Control plus W used for closed document. WORM stands for write once, read many. Heart of computer. Microprocessor is called heart of computer. Columns in Excel denoted by A, B, C, D, E till AZ. Rows in Excel are 1, 2, 3, 4. Rows in Excel denoted by in numeric 1, 2, 3, and columns denoted by alphabetical ABC. Autocorrect to correct spelling mistakes. Unauthorized access to computer is prevented by encryption. UPS stands for uninterruptible power supply. Read-only memory storage device is CD-ROM. Shift plus right arrow used for select one character at a time to the right. Control plus shift plus right arrow is used for select one word at a time to the right. Control plus shift plus left arrow is used for select one word at the time to the left. Redo or repeat an action. Control plus Y command is used. To display open dialog box, Control plus F12 used. Control plus R used to align text to the right. Close active windows, Control plus F4 is used. Windows XP Linux are multitasking operating systems. Text editor is Notepad. Fastest memory is cache memory. HP is largest hardware company, and Apple is most selling laptops or PCs computer companies. MS-DOS stands for CLI based spelling and grammar check review is used. Name PPT file can be seen on title bar. PNG file extension is for image. Cut, control plus X is used for cut. Control plus V for paste. Control plus C for copy. Stores data permanently. ROM, main system board of computer, motherboard. Heart of computer is CPU. CPU components ALU and CU. Hybrid computer, both analog and digital. CD-ROM, CD read only memory. ALU arithmetic logic unit. MSI medium scale integrated circuits. WAN wide area networks. Father of computer science Alan Turing. First computers were programmed using machine language. Coded entries to gain access to computers called password. Files are organized by storing them in most shared common resource in a computer network is printer. Data file is document. MAC stands for media access control. Most internet users in the world China. In China, internet users are most in the world. Largest search engine is Google. Second largest search engine is Yahoo. Owner of Microsoft is Bill Gates. Biggest computer software company is Microsoft. A light-sensitive device that converts drawings, printed text, or other images into digital form is called scanner. CLI command line interface. 1 gigabyte equal to 1024 megabytes. Brain of computer is called CPU. Total function keys F1 to F12. F2 key for renaming. 1 nibble equals to 4 bits. How many bits are 16 bits in a character? A ROM, static non-volatile memory. Clock cycle means CPU processing speed. Cheapest memory device is CD. Double click on page header, insert header and footer. ALU, arithmetic logical unit. Undo option, repeat our last action. A keyboard is an input device. Those who did not watch the first video, they can search on the channel pages, our channel searches, and find the first video on computer science MCQs, and they can watch it. Those who did not subscribe the channel, they can also subscribe, also comment if you see any error, also give your suggestions and feedback, like and share with your friends who are preparing for PPSC, Fpsc, CSS, PMS and other jobs exams, one test based, MCQs test based. DMA, direct memory access. BIOS, binary basic input output system. Extension of word file is .docx, docs. Extension of Excel, .xlsx. So .doc and .xls with ending with x, because earlier only .doc was used and .xls. Now x is added at the end, so extensions names are changed. That's why PPSC asked like these type of questions. Extension of PowerPoint files .pptx. Watermarks are added in design tab. Header footer insert tab. Audio video file is in insert tab. Font in word values from 8 to 72. Maximum font 8 to 72. Ribbon tab are placed in line. USB is universal serial bus. USB stands for universal serial bus. Device required for internet is modem connection. Optical input device, light pen. Capacity of 3.5 inch floppy disk, 1.4 MB. Capacity of 3.5 inch floppy disk, 1.44 MB maximum storage capacity. MICR stands for magnetic ink character reader. EBCDIC stands for extended binary coded decimal interchange code. CAD stands for computer aided design. Without that, computer can't boot is operating system. Raw facts is called data. Meaningful data is called information. ROM is non-volatile. Data remained there even without electrical power. Low-level languages, assembly language. Who developed a logarithm? John Napier. Logarithm developed in 1640. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. UNIVAC stands for First Generation Computer. Shortcut key for change case, Shift plus F3. Split a table, Control plus Shift plus Enter. Not a font style, superscript. A character that is raised and smaller above the baseline is superscript. Minimum number of rows and columns in Microsoft Word, 1 and 1. Smallest font size is 8, longest or largest font size is 72. Parallel port is used by printer. Gigo or garbage in, garbage out. GIGO stands for garbage in, garbage out. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. IBM i401 is second generation computer. Second generation era 1956 to 1965. Used to directly uh, image printed text is called OCR. Printer output quality measured in DPI. Error in software or hardware is called bug or glitch. Microsoft Word and Excel are application softwares. New paragraph using enter key. A single point on computer screen is called pixel. Fortran is formula translator. Formula translator is Fortran is formula translator. Email is an electronic mail. Email easiest way of communication. First email was sent by Ray Tomlinson in 1971. Symbol used in email is @ Unnecessary mail uh, are called spam or unsolicited commercial email spam. Storage area of email is mailbox. First email message was QWERTY IOP. Used to send emails across the internet, SMTP. Gmail server is smtp.gmail.com. Protocol used to fetch email from a mailbox, POP3. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. CC stands for carbon copy. MS Office is Microsoft Bill Gates in 1988 in Las Vegas. Microsoft Office releasing date was 1990. Available in 102 languages. Common ports used in computer, USB. Father of C language is Dennis Ritchie. Analog computer works on continuous. Digital computer works on discrete form or 0 or 1. GUI stands for graphical user interface. Founder of Bluetooth is Ericsson. .mpg stands for video. Silicon stands for computer chips. Silicon is also used for computer chips. To exchange data over short distance, Bluetooth is used. Keyboard invented by Christopher Latham Scholes. Christopher Latham Scholes invented keyboard. OMR stands for optical mark reader. Term related to database is Oracle. First generation language is machine language. Powerful computer or supercomputer operating system including Unix, Linux, Windows. It calculates largest value in a set of numbers, maximum. Computer can calculate maximum number. Terabyte, roughly a trillion bytes. Common name for software error, bugs. Maximum font size in Microsoft Word 638. To copy a picture of the screen to the clipboard is called print screen. Key is used for that. Used to transmit digital data over telephone lines, modem is used. CRT technology uses in monitor. Ways to edit cell in Excel, click formula bar, press F2 key. How to edit cell in Excel. First is click formula bar, the other is press F2 key, third is double click cell. close a selected window, use Alt plus F4 is used to close a selected window. Line printer are lines per minute LPM. Modern printers pages per minute. Character printer characters per minute. Deleted items are kept in recycle bin. Cursor on the screen. Deleted items went to recycle bin. Cursor on the screen can be moved by mouse. CPU is hardware. In Microsoft Windows, F1 is used for help. Small high-speed memory inside CPU register key used to repeat last action is Control plus Y or F4. Open uh, startup startup menu. Control plus escape is used for open startup menu. Redoing in PowerPoint, Control plus Y is used. Key used to close or run dialog box, escape key is used. Align text to the left, Control plus L is used. QWERTY keyboard, Christopher Latham Scholes invented QWERTY keyboards. DSL stands for Digital Subscriber Line, term used to transfer documents and graphics from your computer to server on the internet uploading. Google Plus is called Facebook. 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes. Which program runs first after computer is booted and loading GUI desktop manager. Total layer of OSI model are 7. Total layer of operating system international 7. Fifth layer of OSI model, session layer. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection Model. Source programs are written in high-level languages. Push and pop related to stack. In Microsoft Word, key F12 open save dialog box. PPT consists of slides. To search in a file, Control plus F. Windows XP is an operating system software. Microsoft Excel sheet, rows and columns, based on rows and columns. Fast is Federation against software theft. Key to decrease text size is Control plus large bracket. Key to increase text size, Control plus uh, closing large bracket. For decrease, opening large bracket. For increase, closing large bracket with plus control. Columns in Excel, alphabets ABC used. For columns names, macro in Microsoft Excel, set of instruction. Data arranged in an intelligible form called information. Supercomputer were invented by J.H. Van Tassel. Binary numbers 0 and 1. 0 is low off, 1 high on. Bill Gates, Microsoft. Single worksheet, 256 columns. PC, personal computer are fourth generation. Basic, beginners, all-purpose symbolic instructions code. Input of compiler source program. Input compiler object program output. Bus electrical path in computer is called bus. Worm. Write once, read memory. Write once and read many. Worm. WinZip, WinRAR used to compress and decompress files. File extension .zip. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. XHTML stands for Extensible HTML. WLAN stands for Wireless LAN. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. WAP Web stands for Wireless Application Protocol. VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol. Length of IP address is 32 bits. Facebook started in 2004. DLL Dynamic Link Library. To delete data permanently, Shift plus Delete is used. CSS is Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is a computer language called Cascading Style Sheets. .JSP called Java Server Page. Sound into electrical signal microphone is used. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. .gif GIF is an image file format. IBM founder Thomas J. Watson. Firewall purpose is security. ISO stands for International Standard Organ. Freak.unit is hertz. Freak.unit is hertz. Old domain name of Facebook was thefacebook.com. Google was invented in 1996. Freeware, also called free softwares. Greenway lines, grammatical mistakes, query. Greenway lines called grammatical mistakes. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Windows Vista is an operating system. MNG, multiple network graphics. SMS is short message service. RGB, red, green, blue. Triple P stands for point to print protocol. POP3, post office protocol. P2P stands for peer to peer. Close current window, Control plus W is used. Communication protocol used by internet are TCP and IP. FTP is called file transfer protocol. Speed of internet connections is Mbps. Mac is an operating system. MPG is a video format. HTML used to create web pages. Macintosh, Apple developed by. FS stands for window refresh. MS PowerPoint, multimedia software. Charles Babbage, inventor of analytical engine and differences engine. Microprocessor. Marken E. Hoff invented microprocessor. SIM stands for Subscriber Identity Module. Latest Microsoft Windows is Windows 10. PNG stands for image. Control plus K used for insert hyperlink. IC stands for integrated circuit. The ROM is composed of microprocessors. Computer consists of electronic circuits. Computer is memory plus operating systems. Main parts. Crime crime that involves computer and internet called cyber crimes. Twitter, social network sites, digital computers, John Athensov, computer memory measured in gigabytes, GB. IBM is a US based company. Silicon Valley, computer business, known for computer businesses. To display save as box used, F12 is used. Image editing softwares are Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Microsoft Paint, DPI, dot per inch. Way to save documents. 3. Mozilla Firefox Web is a web browser. Sending same letters to multiple persons. Mail merger is used. RAM plus ROM, main memory. Best printer quality are laser printer. Computer processor languages, as machine languages. Used to update selected fields, F9 is used. High level to low level compiler is used. Search engines uh, is Bing in Alta Vista. Non-volatile is PROM. Virus is a software AVI developed by Microsoft. DNS domain name system. Incognito mode, online privacy feature that prevents your browsing history from being stored.